Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get streaks on TikTok. First of all, what you need to do is you have to make sure your TikTok is updated. So you just have to go to your Play Store and click search for TikTok. Search for it just like this, and if it's not updated, you just have to update it and click on open. So we are on TikTok right now. So you just have to turn the streaks on from the setting. So you have to go to profile, click on your profile below your screen right here, and you click above your screen. These three horizontal line you can see, just click on it and click on settings and privacy. Then you click on notifications, click on it right here, and you scroll down, you can see. So just turn on your streaks notification button and you go back to your inbox and you check. Then you can just start chatting with your friends on TikTok, any of your friends that you want to actually have streaks with. So you just chat, hi, let's keep or let's make a streak. Anyone, just make sure they keep replying daily to get your streaks. So this is how to get your streaks on TikTok. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.